Here's the part that rarely makes headlines. Designing a revolutionary battery in a laboratory is one challenge. Building millions of identical batteries every year is an entirely different one. Automakers don't manufacture a few hundred cells. They manufacture millions. Every battery pack must deliver nearly identical performance. Every cell must charge at the same rate, generate similar amounts of heat, and maintain consistent capacity over thousands of cycles. Even a tiny manufacturing defect can have enormous consequences. Imagine a battery pack containing thousands of individual cells. If just one develops an internal short circuit, it can trigger thermal runaway that spreads throughout the entire pack. That's why quality control in battery manufacturing is measured in parts per million rather than percentages. Lithium metal makes this challenge even more difficult. Pure lithium is highly reactive. It reacts easily with moisture, oxygen, and even microscopic contamination during manufacturing. Producing lithium metal cells requires extremely clean environments, tighter humidity control, and manufacturing precision that pushes today's factories close to their technological limits. That means building these batteries isn't simply a matter of replacing graphite with lithium metal. Entire production lines may need to be redesigned. New coating techniques must be developed. New quality control systems must be introduced. Even the equipment used to assemble today's lithium-ion batteries may not be suitable for tomorrow's lithium metal cells. This explains why many companies continue improving conventional lithium-ion batteries while simultaneously investing in lithium metal research. The existing technology continues generating profits. The future technology continues demanding investment. Balancing those two priorities has become one of the biggest strategic decisions facing every battery manufacturer today. Chapter 12. Why automakers aren't rushing. If lithium metal is so promising, why hasn't every automaker announced a launch date? Because the automotive industry doesn't reward being first. It rewards being reliable. A smartphone battery that fails is inconvenient. A vehicle battery that fails at highway speeds becomes a safety issue affecting millions of customers. Automakers therefore demand something researchers call automotive validation. That means batteries must survive years of vibration, repeated fast charging, freezing winters, scorching summers, potholes, humidity, salt exposure, and thousands of charge-discharge cycles without significant degradation. Only after passing thousands of hours of testing can a battery begin moving toward commercial production. Then comes another hurdle: warranty costs. Most manufacturers guarantee EV batteries for 8 years or more. That means any battery chemistry entering production today must remain reliable not only in laboratory conditions, but for nearly a decade in the hands of ordinary drivers. Children will spill drinks inside the car. Owners will fast charge every day. Some vehicles will sit unused for weeks. Others will operate as taxis, covering hundreds of kilometers daily. The battery must survive every one of those situations. That's why automotive companies often appear conservative. They're not avoiding innovation. They're protecting long-term reliability. Chapter 13. Could lithium metal replace lithium-ion completely? One common misconception is that lithium metal will instantly replace every lithium-ion battery on Earth. Reality is far more complicated. Different batteries serve different purposes. A luxury electric sedan may justify an expensive high-performance battery. An affordable city car may prioritize low cost over maximum range. Grid-scale energy storage values longevity more than energy density. Power tools demand high discharge rates. Consumer electronics require thin, lightweight cells. There is no universal battery chemistry that dominates every application. Instead, the industry will likely become more specialized. Lithium iron phosphate batteries may continue dominating affordable EVs. Nickel-rich lithium-ion cells may remain popular in premium vehicles. Sodium-ion batteries could expand into low-cost transportation and stationary storage. Lithium metal may occupy the premium end of the market, where maximum range and rapid charging justify higher manufacturing costs. In other words, the future isn't likely to belong to one battery. It may belong to several different chemistries working together. Chapter 14. Beyond electric cars. Perhaps the biggest impact of lithium metal won't even happen inside passenger vehicles. Consider aviation. Today's batteries are generally too heavy for practical long-distance electric flight. Double the energy density, however, and entirely new possibilities emerge. Regional passenger aircraft, electric cargoplanes, long-range delivery drones, urban air taxis. Every kilogram saved allows either additional passengers or greater range. Shipping could also benefit. Large vessels increasingly seek cleaner propulsion systems to reduce emissions. More energy-dense batteries make hybrid marine systems increasingly practical. The military is watching closely as well. Lighter batteries extend the endurance of autonomous vehicles, surveillance drones, portable communications equipment, and unmanned aircraft. Space exploration presents another opportunity. Every kilogram launched into orbit costs thousands of dollars. Reducing battery weight while increasing stored energy could significantly lower mission costs and extend spacecraft capabilities. Renewable energy storage could change too. Solar farms produce electricity only during daylight. Wind farms generate power only when the wind blows. Higher capacity batteries make storing surplus renewable energy more practical, helping stabilize electrical grids powered increasingly by clean energy. Suddenly, lithium metal isn't just about cars. It's about transforming how humanity stores electricity. Chapter 15. The Verdict Revolution, or Another False Dawn. So where does that leave us? Lithium metal batteries represent one of the most exciting developments in modern energy storage. The potential advantages are extraordinary. Higher energy density, lighter battery packs, longer driving range, faster charging, improved safety when paired with advanced solid electrolytes. But potential alone doesn't build an industry. Manufacturing challenges remain enormous. Long-term durability still requires validation. Costs must fall dramatically. Production must scale from laboratory prototypes to millions of vehicles. History reminds us to remain cautious. Many technologies once hailed as revolutionary struggled when exposed to real-world manufacturing. Others quietly overcame every obstacle and eventually transformed entire industries. Lithium metal now stands at exactly that crossroads. The encouraging news is that unlike previous decades, this time the momentum is global. Governments are funding research. Universities continue publishing breakthroughs. Automakers are investing billions. Battery companies are racing to solve the remaining engineering puzzles. Every year, another obstacle falls. Every year, another prototype lasts longer. Every year, another manufacturing process becomes more refined. Whether commercial success arrives in 3 years, 5 years, or closer to the next decade